Welcome students to my English class. So today we are going to discuss the poem Silver which we had covered the last week. So today's topic of discussion is question and answers from chapter 2 Silver. So today is Thursday and the date is 6th of May 2021. So children, here is a list of 6 questions which you can see which we will be doing for classwork. So the first question is describe the movement of the moon. So the moon is walking slowly and silently in her silver shoes. So as I had described last week in the poem, the moon wears her silver shoes and slowly she creeps through the night sky and turns the atmosphere with changes the atmosphere in silver color. How does the poet describe the dog? So, according to the poet, the dog is sleeping motionlessly. Motionlessly means there is no activity which the dog is doing apart from resting. He is sleeping like an inactive or a non living thing, such as a piece of log, and along with it, its paws are shining in the silver moonlight. Explain the line from their shadowy coat, the white breast peep of doves in silver feathered sleep. So the above lines means that a part of the dove's body is peeping outside their nest and their feathers are shining in the silver moonlight. So here also the moon reflects, the moonlight is getting reflected and everything has turned into silver along with the birds and its feathers. What does the mouse do in the moonlight? The mouse runs quickly with its claws and eyes shining in the silver moonlight. Now, children, all of us know that the mouse's activity starts during the dead of the night. He searches here and there for food. So, here also the mouse is running quickly with its claws and eyes shining, and those are reflecting the light of the moon. So, everything appears to be silver out over here. How does the poet describe the fish in the poem? So, this is your question number 5. The poet describes the fish as being still underneath the water. So, we can assume that these fishes are tired, they are exhausted by swimming throughout the day, and they are also having their piece of rest in the night underneath the water. Last and the final question is, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? So here the rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F and G, G. Alright, so children, these are the questions and answers which you need to do in your English text copies. Moving on to the next slide. So children, your home assignment will be to write the new words from your book in your English text copies, and you have to learn those. So thank you all of you, and I hope you have understood the discussion of the question answers. We will be doing it elaborately in our today's live class. So thank you and have a great day ahead.